Hello everybody, and welcome to this week's episode of Curbside Crafting. This week at Storytime, we talked about one of our favorite things, fairy tales. So the craft that you're going to make this week is this cute little frog. He's a little frog prince. He's got his crown and lots of kisses. So what you're going to get when you come into the library or do curbside checkout, you're going to get this sheet with this cute green frog, and then this sheet that has its crown and kisses. So what you'll do is you can color all of this in like that, or however you like to color it in, whatever colors you like for your crown to be. And you'll cut that out and glue it right on top of his head. And then you'll color in all your cute kisses, and then you can put them all over. He will definitely turn into a prince, don't you think? So what you're gonna need, of course, your trusty 3 things that you're kind of always gonna use when you do crafts, right? A box of crayons, your glue stick, and your handy dandy safety scissors. So this is a really, really easy one. Not a lot of complicated stuff, but it's just simple and cute, like a frog prince should be, right? I hope you all are enjoying your storybook tea kits. If you were able to come in and pick one up, they were really successful. We are all very sad that we're not able to have the storybook tea party here this year. And invite you all to come, but I promise you we will make up for it next year. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and we'll see you soon. Bye.